Alright guys, it's Akrohura over here. So this is my tutorial video on how to make your own guiding light generator. So basically you go into how to make your own you go here and you just oh my god bro, it's so laggy. Wait, what is that? Bro, oh my god, bro, oh my god. Look, over here we have name, so you're gonna go in name, and you're just gonna, bro, this is so what the hell? What the hell? What is that? What is that? What is that right there? Dude. Anyways, you're gonna go over here to customize def information. Customize the def information. Now you're gonna go put your name of the entity that you died to or something, and you're just gonna like. This is basically what happens when you you start your guiding light and then you just see the def information. Like over here, you can see the name of the entity, and you can just go which door do you want. And then you can also pick like how much gold you want and stuff. Right over here, look. You can go and choose how much gold you had before you died. And you can go over here and maybe like make it so that it looks like one of your friends players. I mean, you can go over here to do like a little uprise thing or something. I don't know what that does, but it probably does something. And over here, if you go to guiding light at the very start, you can go here to line. You can click add new line, and you can just start typing your lines. So I'm just gonna like put my line here very quick, and then yeah, and then that's pretty much all. And then after that, you're gonna maybe pick some music if you want over here at the music library. I wanna pick Curious Light, and you can go in the color library where there are lots of colors, including like, you know, there are many colors, including premium colors, which only premium people can get, and many other rare colors that like you don't really see indoors. So basically, after you do that, you can maybe fill in some of these others like text color, per line delay, vignette color. I don't know what those do, but I'll make a tutorial on that later if I figure out what it's all about. And like, if you want to put an achievement like I did in part 2 with Weird Light part 2, you got like an achievement over there and stuff. If you didn't see, go watch that video, Weird Light part 2. You could go over here to achievement preview, achievements, and you can just like make your achievement. And there's also an image ID, and if the image ID is blank, the achievement won't appear. Sign that right now. Put that in your notes. I'm the teacher. Put that in your notes right now. Anyways, you're gonna just go and put your image ID there, and after that, maybe you can go over here to, if you want to, you know, make your like own custom entity, or just like put like a jump scare or something from one entity. You can go over here to the jump scares area, and you can just pick a jump scare. Also, there's some custom ones over here, custom rust, custom, oh my god, bro. Dude, this is so laggy, bro. I hate this. Look, we have custom legacy, custom rust, custom bat, ambush, custom seek, and custom halt. You can basically pick one of these, and you could just maybe put your image ID there. Image ID, so we're going to put your image ID right over there. You will also use this for the custom entity thing, which, wait, I'm only doing that right now. Bro, I'm so dumb. Anyways, you're going to go over here to image ID, and you're going to place your image ID, and you could do all these other settings if you want, and if you want to, you can just, yeah, put your animation on. And right over there, boom, the jump scare will play, and your guiding light will be there. And you could just click on the screen, or, you know, tap on the screen, and that's how you do it.